Welcome to Sunset Preserve, a gated community in Orlando that's all about space, style, and lakefront living. Nestled along Lake Pickett, it's perfect for anyone who loves boating, fishing, or just kicking back and enjoying the view. The homes here are spacious and beautifully designed with 3 to 6 bedrooms, open layouts, modern kitchens, and 3-car garages. Many sit on half-acre or lakefront lots, giving you plenty of room to spread out and enjoy the Florida sunshine. Beyond the community, you're in a prime location. Just a short drive away, you'll find Waterford Lakes Town Center, packed with shopping, dining, and entertainment. And with easy access to highways 417 and 408, getting to downtown Orlando, Orlando International Airport, or even the theme parks is quick and convenient. If you're looking for the perfect balance of luxury, space, and convenience, Sunset Preserve has it all. Ready to find your dream home here? Get in touch with me or anyone on our team today. We'd love to help you make it happen.